Hello, my name is Rela Dinesh from CSITA section. In data mining and knowledge discovery, my tech talk concept is application of data warehouse and techniques in retail trading. Retail trade means selling a goods uh, for customers. Selling goods for customers. We can simply say like that. Now we'll see. Now we'll see the definition of data warehouse. What is the actual definition of data warehouse? Data warehouse is a centralized repository that stores a large volume of historical data from multiple sources. It allows for efficient query analyzing and enables the business to drive insight from their data investments. Now, simply we can say data warehouse is a repository, centralized repository where the historical data of a firm or of a particular domain is stored. It's stored for a lot of years, such that we can easily querying efficient data, and we can analyze on the data easily because it stores historical data. This is a data warehouse where the data is stored. Historical data is stored for uh, lots of years. Importance in the business intelligence. Now we'll see why it is important in business. Data warehouse plays a pivotal role in the business intelligence by consolidating data for analyzing and reporting. This integration supports informed decision making, strategies, planning, and performing evaluation across the organization. Data warehouse plays a crucial role in business intelligence. How they will store the historical data of the firm, and it is used to analyze and make the decision, and it is also used to make a plan and for planning, strategic planning, and performance evaluation across the organization. These are all done when we are having data warehouse only because it stores historical data. For example, if we use the database management system, in that we can't store that much data, historical data, as we store in data warehouse, such that we can perform limited operations on that database management system. Whereas in data warehouse we can perform n number of operations for historical data which is stored since couple of years. Now we'll see overview of the retail trading challenges. What challenges are faced by retail trade means selling of goods to a customer. Retail trade faces challenges such as inventory management, customer retention, and competitive processing, and robust data warehouse help addressing these issues by facilitating data-driven strategies and improving the operational efficiency. Where normally retail trade means selling a goods for lots of customers, to the lots of customers. Okay, not for, it's a two lots of customers, where we will face lots of problem for inventory management, where the customers information is stored in data warehouse. It addresses the issues and facilitates the data driven strategies, improving the operational efficiency. Techniques, here we have ETL. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load process. In this process, populating a data warehouse, it involves extracting the data from various sources, transforming into the suitable format, and loading it into a warehouse ensures that quality and consistency across the system. In this extract, transform, load, first step is extracting the data from in the data from the data warehouse, and it is transformed to the suitable format, where and it loads to the data warehouse, where the data will be consist before and after the transform. Data modeling and schema design. Effective data modeling and schema design organize the data in way enhance the accessibility and usability. This involves defining relationship between the entities, ensuring that the data can be easily queried and analyzed for insights in data operations. Huh. For effective data storing, we must have effective data modeling and schema design. If we have this both, we can easily store our data, which we can normally say uh, easily store easily storing the data in this schema. Schema means a structure. Instead of taking in data warehouse, we will have lots of parameters or lots of parameters that all parameters are not used for every time. Only some of the parameters are used. For this, we have to prepare one schema. In this schema, we by using this schema, we can store their information in this schema. Simply, we can say schema is a structure of a model. OLAP, Online Analytic Process Capabilities. OLAP stands for Online Analytic Process Capabilities. This is applied on on the data warehouse, not in client side. Means user. OLAP system and a complex queries. Large data, it has a complex queries and large data sets because it is performed on data warehouse side, not in client side, allowing the businesses to perform multi-dimensional analysis, retailers, users, and reporting. Data mining provides insights into the sales patterns and customer preference, enhancing strategic decision. Huh. It's a not a small data which we can store and we can analyze easily in rental organizations. In rental organization, we will have large data sets for customer name, address, and their needs and what futures of their products. All number of parameters will be there in the data set. Not small data, not this retail organization not deals with the small data sets. It deals with the larger data sets. In this large data sets, it consists historical data as well as the current data, and in the information of the product, information of the user, all etc. These informations are stored in data warehouse. To manage that data warehouse, we will use OLAP. OLAP stands for Online Analytic Process Capabilities, which consist of complex queries. Simply, we can say large data set is directly proportional to the complex queries. This complex queries is used to enhance the making decisions. Now see data mining techniques. Data mining techniques uncover patterns and relationships within a large data set. In detail, these techniques help in customer segmentation and sales prediction and identifying trend leads to a better inventory management. Data mining technique. Data mining technique. Simply we can say the mining the data. We are taking our our needed data from our data warehouse. Instead of taking all the data, we will take only needed data, which by using data warehouse patterns, it is used to this data mining technique is used to segment the customers. Segmentation means dividing the customer based on their needs, based on their we can say based on the prices also, and the sales prediction. Which product is selling more, which product is selling less. This all statistics is perform we operations also we know, and it leading to the better inventory management. Now we'll see the application in rental trade. Customer behavior analysis. Data warehouse aggregates sales and customers interaction data, allowing retailer to identify the purchasing pattern. Analyzing these data can enhance product recommendations and improve the customer's loyalty. through the tailored experience. This slide says that data warehouse aggregates the sales and customers interactions, allowing the retailers to identify purchasing patterns. This data warehouse will consist of plenty of patterns, means pattern. Each pattern is different. By using these patterns, we can improve the loyalty and the tailored experience. Now we'll see the inventory management optimization. Leveraging the data warehouse enables the real-time inventory tracking and demanding the forecasting. This approach minimizes the overstocks and stockouts, ensures the retailers maintains optimal inventory levels while reducing the carrying loss. How this data warehouse will minimize or optimize the management. For suppose, while performing operations, suppose we must to know which product is in the stock and which product is going to out of the stock. If we know which product is going out of the stock, if the product is going out of the stock, it means the product is in demand, such such that we can purchase that product earlier instead of purchasing when the stock is out, or when the stock is out of the demand. By using this data warehouse, we can simply identify and optimize the inventory levels and reducing the carrying costs. Sales forecasting. Data warehouse supports advanced analytic techniques that define sales and forecasting accuracy. Sales data. Retailers can project further sales trends, informing stocking strategies and promotional activities. Sales forecasting. Forecasting means prediction of the sales. By using this data warehouse is having the advanced analytics techniques where we can easily predict our product price in the future as compared to the present data. Personalized marketing strategies. By analyzing the customer data stored in the data warehouse, retailers can craft personalized marketing strategies, customer promotional based on the purchasing history significant, enhance the customer engagement and conversion rates. Personalized market strategy. These data were also used for marketing strategies where retailers can personalize marketing strategies, customers promotions based on the purchasing history. As the purchasing history is more for one product, it is in demand. For you, if it is in demand, we can easily purchase that product. We must make available the product for the customers as fast as possible. Successful rental implementation. Companies like Walmart and utilize the data warehouse to optimize the inventory and enhance supply chain efficiency. Marketing efforts resulting increasing the sales and customer loyalty. Emerging technologies in data warehouse. Technologies like cloud computing and real-time data process are revolutionary data warehouse solutions such as Snowflakes and Amazon Redshift often scale and efficient storage and analytic capabilities. These are the technologies in the data warehouse. AWS, we know that Amazon also providing this technology. Predictive analytics in rental system. How the predictive analysis done in rental system. Rentals like Amazon employ predictive analysis, the forecasting demand, streamlined operation. This historical data help in making the formal decision. As we know, the data warehouse stores the historical data. Based on this historical data, predictive analysis is done. We also discussed in previous slides as the price is high or if the product is in demand. All this data is analyzed only in we having this data warehouse only. Now we'll see future retail trade with the data warehouse. The future of retail in learning towards the fully integrated data ecosystem that responds the real time to market demands. AI and machine learning will further enhance the data analysis, driving smarter retail decisions. This is about this presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.